Hello, in this video I will show you how to install RAR application on NOKIA XR21. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in RAR. And now click search. And here click install. Now you can click open. And now you have to allow this application to access your files, and then you can click back. Now this application asks if you want to see notifications. You can allow, and now click dismiss. So that's it, you can use this application now. If you like this video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.